Hello and welcome to Gadgets 360. Right now we have with us Vivo's latest offering, the Vivo V17. Now this phone slots below the Vivo V17 Pro and targets photography enthusiasts with its 4 rear cameras and promise of high quality night shots. Let's quickly unbox it. But before we begin this video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you know when we post a new video. This is the box of the Vivo V17. The RAM and storage information are listed in the top right corner. Turning the box around reveals some key specifications which we'll get to in a bit. So now let's open the box and see what's inside. So the first thing we see is a sleeve which we'll put aside for the moment. And this is the Vivo V17 wrapped neatly in plastic. Let's take it out and boot it up. We have the Glacier Ice color variant with us. So as the phone is starting up, let's quickly look at the box contents. In the sleeve, there's a soft TPU case for protection. Then there's a SIM eject tool and some documentation. And finally, a USB Type-C cable. Moving on, there's a pair of headphones. And last, the charging brick. And here's a quick look at everything that you get inside the box of the Vivo V17. The Vivo V17 packs a 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The screen sports a punch hole for the 32-megapixel front camera. The volume and power buttons are on the right. The dual nano SIM and micro SD card tray is on the left. The bottom has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C port and a single speaker grill. Finally, there's only a secondary microphone at the top. The Vivo V17 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 SoC. Our unit has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage. On the software front, the phone runs FunTouchOS 9.2, which is based on Android 9 Pie. The phone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. There's a 4500 mAh battery under the hood, and this phone supports Vivo's exclusive dual-engine fast charging. On the imaging front, the Vivo V17 is equipped with a quad rear camera setup which includes a 48-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel super wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel depth camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Vivo touts its super night mode for the front as well as rear cameras. The Vivo V17 comes in 2 color options, Midnight Ocean and Glacier Ice. The Vivo V17 has been priced at 22,990 rupees in India, and it will go on sale from December 17th. This phone has just one variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage. And that was our quick unboxing and first look at the Vivo V17. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.